I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add verification codes to the Passwords app of your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up the Passwords app on our phone. It will unlock most likely with either a passcode or with our Face ID. Now, to add a verification code, we're going to click into the Codes section here, and then we will select the plus button on the bottom right. Now, typically, one of these accounts, when you are setting it up, will give you a setup key, and you can copy and paste that into here, or you can use the QR code because it will often give you a QR code as well. You just select scan QR code with camera, then you will allow it to use your camera. And then basically, this is just looking at my desk, but you will scan the QR code there, and then it will automatically add that particular authentication code to your list. And then you will see that right here when you go to codes. So anytime you need that code, it will be there in the Passwords app in the codes section. And now you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.